Hi, I'm 95.5 WSB meteorologist Christina Edwards here with Jeremy of American Crawlspace Solutions. And Jeremy, we're at a door here, but where is this leading to?
So this door right here leads into the crawl space, the area underneath your house. It can be a great place for, some good stuff and storage, but oftentimes it can be a problem within the house as well. One of those problems can oftentimes here in the winter be standing water underneath your house.
Okay, and that's because, say, during the months of December, January, February, that rain can add up to 14 inches in a typical winter.
Right.
Sometimes it could be as much as 20, 30 inches if we get one of those super wet winters. So you're saying if all that rain were to happen to collect my crawl space, I would be having some issues.
Absolutely. And so it's not always a drainage issue either. People oftentimes call us and say, well, but all the water slopes away from my house, my gutters are in great shape, why am I still getting water underneath the house? The reason for that is because the water table is higher in the wintertime. As you mentioned, it's our wettest season, and so the ground gets saturated very easily. This can happen year round, but winter is one of the more common times where people will look in their crawl space and see puddles of standing water. And so what we can do to solve that is we can actually install a drainage system on the inside of the crawl space.
Okay.
Oftentimes people say, well, why not the outside? That's because the water is coming up through the ground,
It's literally
not
seeping
underneath
up.
the foundation.
Ooh,
Exactly.
okay.
Yep. It's what we call the false water table. So the water rises quickly when it rains, but it takes a while to drain back down. And so that's where the pump system and the drainage system come into play.
Okay, so if I find a puddle down there, I really need to act fast. What should I do? How do I get in contact with you?
Definitely. So a couple ways you can get in contact with us. We've got a contact form here on our webpage. You can click the link and fill that out, or the number's at the top of the page. Feel free to give us a call. Somebody that can answer your questions will answer the phone, and we'll be happy to set up a time to come out and take a look at your crawl space.